Hi, boys and girls, and welcome to Mr. Grable's Grade 3 math class, where we're subtracting 3-digit numbers today. Yes, on page 54, 54, that's not 54, 56, 5 tens, 6 ones, page 56, we're doing not one, not two, 3-digit subtraction. This is what we have to do to be ready for grade 4, because you're probably going to do grade 4-digit subtraction there. So let's do this. Unit 3, lesson 11, page 56, subtracting 3-digit numbers. We can all do this. Now, remember the ones, tens, hundreds. This is so important. Always start with the ones place. Then you go to the tens. Then you go to the hundreds. Okay, so do remember that even though this says 3, 2, 4, those numbers aren't the same. They don't have the same value. That 4 is only worth 4. That 2 is actually worth 20. And that 3 is actually worth 300. So reading it helps too. 324 subtract 115. Okay. Biggest mistake people make. They think there's 4 here, I'm going to take 5 away. It doesn't work. I have 4 fingers, you can't have 5. It doesn't work. Okay, so we have to borrow. It's called borrowing. So we have to borrow from the tens. Remember, that's 20. So now we're going to just make it 110. Just going to be 10 there. But this one's going to turn into 14, which is pretty cool. Because 14 plus 10 is actually 24. And that's how that works. So 14, you can take 5 away from 14, and you'll end up with 9. And you can take 1 away from 1, so you're going to end up with 0. And of course, you can take 1 away from 3, and that's 2. 209. There we go, our first bit of borrowing. Let's do some more. Subtract number 1a. Now these are my favorites because they are simple and basic, and you just have to do them 3 separate subtraction problems, right? 6 take away 3, doubles in reverse, 3. 7 take away 2, 5. Let's count backwards probably, 7, 6, 5. And 4 take away 2. Again, there's so many doubles, 2. Now those are definitely the easiest kind of subtraction to do. Start at the ones, go to the tens, go to the hundreds. Do your subtraction that you know how. Let's see this one now. This, like I said, this is where people get thrown off. I have 1 marker here. How are you going to take away 8? You can't take 8 markers. I only have 1. So we're going to borrow. And of course, the 7 turns into a 6. We're going to take 1 10 away. And we're going to give this 10. So 10 plus 1 is 11. And remember, 71 is the same as 60 and 11. Okay, so 11 take away 8. Now we can do it. Okay, that's 3. 6 take away 4. Ooh, we can do that. That's 2. And 5 take away 3 is also 2. There we go. That's how that works. Now, another problem that happens, especially in 3-digit subtraction, is, look at this, it's like the double-double. I know I can't take 5 when there's only 4 there, and I know I can't take 2 when there's, there's going to be double trouble here. So watch this one carefully, because it does happen. Remember, we'll still start with the ones. Now we can't do this, so we're still going to borrow, because we'll give that guy 1. There's only going to be 110. And yes, this will be 14, because you know 14 plus a 10 is 24. That's why that works. But this works now. So 14 take away 5 is 9. Good. But now we've borrowed and we're like, oh no, 3, I have only 1 and I can't get 3. So we have to borrow again. It's like a double borrow. Now remember, that's 600. So now it's going to go down to 500. And that's going to turn into 11, which is actually 110. But we don't have to worry about that too much, because 110 and yes, anyway. So we have 11 take away 3. You can do that. 8 and 5 take away 2 is 3. Okay, there you go. The double. Look at that, they're all crossed out. What this actually means, boys and girls, if you think about it, is 500 is what that first one means. That's what that means. The 11 is actually 110. And then the 14 is still 14. Now, if we add that up, it better add to be 624. Otherwise, we've cheated somehow. Yes, 0, 0, 4, 2, and 6. So all we've done, boys and girls, is broken it down to the 500, to 110, and the 14, so we could do the subtraction easier. That's all that means. Okay, so when you're borrowing, that's what we're doing. You can do this. Give it a try and keep practicing. Bye-bye.